Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install more voice data for text-to-speech language on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on General Management, then tap on Text to Speech. Next, you want to tap on the settings icon right next to the preferred engine. And here, tap on Install Voice Data. Now, the engine I'm using at the moment is Google Engine, so I tap on Install Voice Data. And in the list here, you can select a voice data that you want to use, and then tap on Download button to download the voice data for that particular language. Alright, so if you have chosen the Samsung text-to-speech engine, then you tap on the settings icon, then tap on Install Voice Data. In here, you can go down the list and select a voice data file that you want to use. So it's pretty much the same. You need to download and then install the voice data for that engine. And once it has finished, it will appear in the languages and voices list down here. Just wait for the download to complete and you should see the list will get updated. So it is still now installing. So this may take a few seconds to a minute or two. Just be patient and wait. Once it has installed, you can see it is now available here. You can then change your text-to-speech language or to that particular voice file down here. And that's it. You can also change it down here as well in language, and you can choose which language that you want to use. Now remember, the language will be available based on the engine that you have chosen. So depending on what you have chosen up here, the language will be different. Okay, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.